Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I would hate my life if all I could do was get in the studio and go, call me Rub, call me Rat, say that name for that. Wait, you think I want smoke with you? You think I want smoke with your nigga? No. Alright. Now, bro, I just want to speak on this real quick. It is not a day somebody said bro ain't been the same since Jace ended his career. 3 hours ago, this nigga is still riding my dick. This nigga has dropped 5 disses on me. This nigga has dropped 5 disses on me. Alex Trippy X exposed them. For what? You lying. Alex exposed him. Oh God, this nigga need a straight jacket. I guess he dissed her. She posted DMs with some drama shit. When? Where I see this? Hold on, I just searched this shit on Twitter. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, he want me to respond bad, bro. It ain't a day this nigga don't diss me and Yachty. And catch this, y'all. The reason why he be dissing Yachty is only because Yachty fuck with me. This nigga's mad at a grown man about, like, come on, bro. Trippy Red's ex exposes DMs with 1900Rugrat. And then wasn't he just with Trippy Red like last month? Wasn't he just making videos at the nigga house and shit? Just PP21 cracker look decade older. Fuck you talking about? Okay, yo, I be there all through Miami most of the time. I'm most definitely move ASAP. I was gonna move to Miami. I fuck Miami. I mean, I'm 21. You look good as hell, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. He a nerd. This the shit I'm talking about though. She posted these because he said in the song that he curved her. That's why I don't get what this nigga is. Like, he delusional as a bitch. What the Rugrats say about Yachty? He stay be dissing him, bro. Look, this what I don't get though. Like, let me see real quick. Look, this the group chat with me, Lil Yachty, and Rugrat. This after Rugrat went and started crying on the internet. Yachty said, I don't know what's up with y'all. Y'all niggas hard. Rugrat said, I love you, Unc. Yachty said, we too old for this. I fuck with both y'all. He said, y'all beefing over stupid shit. It's money to be made. Rugrat put the honey emoji. Mind y'all, I never responded in this whole group chat because I don't squash shit on my dead partner. Like, I don't squash shit. Like, look, I'm showing you right now. I've never said nothing in here. He said, y'all going back and forth over he say, she say. That nigga Rugrat said, I just know I dropped the shit. I ain't even want to talk on Packboy Mac shit. Cuz said, leave me alone. I left him alone, and I shouldn't have spoke on Cuz in the first place. But I left it again. I left it alone again. Deleted my shit. I don't care for the situation. This was October 25. Fast forward to today. This nigga Rugrat has dropped 6 diss songs on me. I'm not gonna lie. This nigga has dropped 6 diss songs on me. 6 diss songs on me after he told Lil Yachty. And in that same convo when he said, he told Lil Yachty, I love you, Unc. He said, I love you, Unc. He said he left it alone. 3 days later from that, started dissing Yachty. I don't get what's up with that nigga. But you can't make this type of shit up, man. I said it once, I'll say it again. I can't take a nigga serious that wants to be a Let's Player. Nigga, you want to be a Let's Player. I can't take you serious, Let's Play ass nigga. I can't take a wannabe Let's Play ass nigga serious, bro. It's 2026, this nigga playing Outlast too. What the fuck? Shit crazy. Like, nigga, is this even him? Nah, facts. The Pokemon one be frying me, G. Hit that shit. His shit say 900 plays. His shit say 1900Rugrat plays. This shit frying the fuck out of me. I ain't gonna lie. This shit frying the fuck out of me. I hate a Let's Play ass nigga. Rugrat plays Pokemon. I ain't hating on Pokemon. Come on, bitch. You gotta do better. Then, like, you just gotta look through. Like, you gotta look deeper into this shit, right? This one says Fortnite with the baddies, right? He let his girl. This whole stream is just his girlfriend on his YouTube channel. That's how I know this nigga is a hamburger. It's this nigga girlfriend on his YouTube channel doing her own live stream on his shit. Now this is why this is relevant, right? Because you may be thinking, well, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with letting his girl on his YouTube to stream by herself? First of all, you just let somebody else, a girl, I don't give a fuck who it is, get on your platform and do her own shit, for one. But for two, this is how you know this nigga don't got no bread with a mentality, right? This is how you know this nigga don't got no bread with a mentality, because you got to look at it like this, right?
you letting that bitch on your Twitch to like stream and shit, like that just show you like a goofy for real, because next door to this room is my girl's office. Like, so how this is an office, like next door is my girl's office type shit with a setup in it. So like she could go stream on her own if she wanted to, and she has before. She don't do it like that as much no more, but basically putting her on her own little outlet type shit. You know, like my girl could hop on her own Twitch next door at her own setup on her own camera and talk to her own chat. Like, so that's how you just gotta look at it deeper than that. Like, you can tell niggas not breadwinners type shit, you know? Cause I go put my bitch in her own office and she could start her own stream. My bitch would never have to hop on my motherfucking YouTube and do a Twitch like stream or do a stream. You know, like I got breadwinner mentality type shit. If my girl gonna hop on stream and do that type of shit, like I gave her her own shit. You know, so that's what I'm saying. Niggas a hamburger, you feel me? Like, it's how you get your validation for them. This shit be throwing me like, bro. This nigga can't be real, G. Damn, it's hot up here. This shit frying me. Yeah, bro, this shit hard, saying ass nigga. I ain't gonna lie, this still like this nigga wanna be a YouTuber so fucking bad. Minecraft is lit with mods. I be playing modded Minecraft. It ain't the game I have a problem with, it ain't nothing. It's just simple fact, nigga, you wanna be a YouTuber, bro. You talked all that shit about me streaming. Now you wanna be a streamer ass nigga. The Sky Does Minecraft ass nigga. But peep this though, this is like one of the last things I really gotta speak on, bro. I don't like, cause he signed, I'm not signed no more. Well, I'm in the process of not being signed no more.
How?
Where is it at? Right here.
Yo, what the fuck going on? It's 1900Rugrat. I just want to make this video to say thank you. We done had over 100 orders in the first day of Big Ass Kids dropping. And fam, what?
100 orders. A 100 orders. 100 orders. 100 orders. 100 orders. Only 100 people bought that bitch ass merch. 100 orders. Oh my God. It's time to hang it up. That puss ass 360 deal. Nigga made $40. Oh my God. Not 250 orders, not 500 orders, not 1,000 orders, not none of that. 100 orders. You have 100 dedicated fans. What the fuck? We got 76 people in the Twitch stream, 173 on the YouTube stream. I got your 100 dedicated fans right in front of me right now. When he goes live, he can't even break 30 viewers. I ain't gonna lie, I'm being petty, chat. I don't give a fuck. Nigga diss me every day. He keep dissing me every day, fool. I just feel like every day he want to keep dissing me, then I'm gonna just keep responding, like, because he's yet to just ruin a career. Like, bitch, I ruined your career. He wouldn't have to diss me every time he drop a song or get on the internet if he didn't fit. I just showed y'all. He just dissed me in some comments 3 hours ago. I don't know. 100 orders though. Nah, for real. If I spark a kick stream right now, I'm doing 700. No less than. For sure ski. For sure ski. Dead ass though. A 100 people at bro makes like million. That's the thing. That's why that's like it's so this. These niggas fabricate their lifestyle. Like, look, how are you doing good and you keep this like y'all gotta look into it, right? Like, y'all don't be looking deep into it. Like, how could you be living good and you say you got money and all this shit? You diss your label every chance you get. Now, chat, y'all done seen me go through this same shit, like, so you know when a nigga dissing that label, that nigga's getting shelved. On my dead, they put that nigga on the shelf, right up there, and nigga the highest spot. So that's why that shit don't fool me. Like, a nigga be acting like he lives so lavish and shit. Nigga house got roaches. This nigga disses his label every chance he gets because they shelfing his ass. Shit crazy. They do that nigga like a action figure. Hey, Cade, I don't want to hear nothing about my SIGs, bro. Y'all was just in here talking about young boy better than me. Y'all gotta find whose dick y'all need to pull, man. It's not gonna be mine. Then a lot of y'all be gangster. Y'all act like y'all gangster on the internet. Then be talking about me smoking cigs. When you go to the hood, everybody smokes cigs. And Black and Miles. And y'all the type of niggas that think Black and Miles are healthier than cigs. Y'all the type of niggas that think puff bars are healthier than cigarettes. No, facts though, perp. If he was happy, like, you look at that shit on a spiritual level, if he was doing good in life, he wouldn't need to talk about me. Like, chat.